Hey there, YouTube friends. Here's the project we have today. We have this nice lamp, but the switch stopped working. So I'm going to unplug the lamp now and see if I can fix it. Okay, now I set the lamp on the floor. First thing I'll do is I'll take the shade off, set that aside, take the bulb out. And the shade holder, we have these two like little clips right there, and they should just pull right out like that. Okay, there's three parts to the light socket. There's this top part that we can unscrew, so we'll take that off. And here's the switch itself, and here's the base part that's attached to the lamp. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop these two wires out of the switch. Okay, you might not be able to see it, but this is the positive right here, and this is the white. So I'm just going to get a piece of tape and I'm going to mark each one. Okay, now I have both of my wires labeled, and if you can see, there's a little copper clip right in there that holds the wire in. So with a toothpick, I'm just going to push down on the clip and try to pull the wire out. Okay, so there's one, and now let's get the other one. Okay, so I got both the wires up. Okay, the base was screwed on really tight, but I was able to unscrew it, and I will just pull the wires through. Now I was able to find this replacement switch at Home Depot. I think it was about $7 or $8. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unscrew the top like this. And we'll pull the switch out, set it aside, and now we'll just run the base over the wires. And now we'll just screw it down. And now we'll attach the switch. Okay, now this switch is a little different because we have screws connecting the wires to the terminals. Okay, so this is the silver, that's the neutral. So I'll just unscrew that, and we'll look at the wire that I labeled white, which would be neutral. And that's this one right here. So we'll just connect that. Okay, now I'll take the wire that I labeled positive and I'll hook that up to the brass terminal. Just like that. So now I have my connections made. Now what I always like to do is I just like to cover my connections with a little electrical tape. Okay, now we'll set the switch in the base, and we'll just screw on the top, just like that. Okay, now we'll put the lampshade bracket back on, and you just have to line it up. You squeeze it, and then you let it go into the clips, and then these two little clips hold it in place. Okay, now we'll put the lampshade back on. light bulb in, and then we will plug it in and test it out. Okay, now I have it plugged in. Let's see if it works. And there we go. Good as new. Now if you have a lamp where the switch doesn't work, no need to throw it out. You could just get yourself a new $8 switch and replace it. And there are a lot of jobs around the house that everybody could do. They're not that difficult. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. There's a lot of other home improvement videos on our channel. Check them out. Happy home improvement. I'll catch you next time. See you.